let's have a look at binary trees, and we're going to have a look at a concise version of how to create a binary tree today. So first of all, some rules for binary trees. The first thing you need to know is a parent node has only 2 child nodes. As my mother always said to me, never have any more children than you have hands. So parent node, 2 child nodes. The parent node is the first value represented in an array unless the exam tells you otherwise. The left node is less than the parent. Remember, left is less, and right nodes are always greater than or equal to the parent node. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using those rules, and we're going to create a binary search tree from the data array that you can see here. So we've got 10, 7, 14, 20, 1, 5 and 8. So your starting point is that 10 is going to be our root. We'll have a look at the next slide and we'll show you how it would look. So we've got 10, 7, 14, 20, 1, 5 and 8. Okay, so 10 is our root number. 7 is less than 10, so it goes to the left. 14 is more than 10, so it goes to the right. Having a look at our next number, 20. 20 is more than 10, so that must be to the right. It is more than 14, so it still keeps heading to the right. And here we have 20. Our next number, 1, is less than 10, so it has to go to the left. It is less than 7, so it's going to continue going to the left. We then have 5. 5 is less than 10, so we go left. 5 is less than 7, so we go left again. However, 5 is more than 1, so we're going to go to the right. Our next number, number 8, is less than 10. 8 is more than 7, so 8 is going to go to the right node of 7. So here you can see we have created our binary tree using our array, and our numbers are all signified on the table, on the actual tree itself, and signified in the right order. Let's have a look at another example. So there are more numbers in this array. Again, they're not in any particular order, they're not put in numerical order, so it's going to be up to us to create our array using these numbers. Let's see how we do. So I've already created one. So let's start with the root number that we have, and the root number is 50. And 50 will always start at the top of our tree. If we have a look at the next number, 30, 30 is less than 50, so less always goes left. So we're going to be placing our 30 here. 25 is our next number in our array. So 25 is less than 50, excuse me, less than 30, so it's going to go to the left again, and here we have it represented. 75. 75 is more than 50, so we're going to be starting to head right. 82, again, more than 50, more than 75, so it will end up on the right hand side. 28, less than 50, less than 30, more than 25, so this time we're going to start to put it on the right hand side. 63 is more than 50, however, it is less than 75. 70 is more than 50, but it is less than 75. What we have here is we have a parent node with 2 child nodes. That means we can't put any more between this level and this level here. So we have to keep working down. So we know that 70 is less than 75, so we're going to go to the left. But it is more than 63, so we start going right. Our next number, number 4, let's start at our root again, so it's less than 50, less than 30, less than 25, so we keep heading left and we put our 4 down. Number 43 is less than 50, however it is more than 30, so we're going to start going right again, and we've got 43. 74 is our next number. It is more than 50, however it is less than 75. We still have the same problem, but we've got 2 nodes full here, so we can't put it on the left of 75, So we're going to have to keep traveling down. Okay, so if we have a look, it's less than 75, so we're going to go left. However, it is more than 63, so we're going to go right, and it is more than 70, so we end up on the right hand side. Our last number, 35, is less than 50, more than 30, so we start going right, but less than 43. So you end up with your binary tree in this shape here, having represented the numbers in the array. Okay, so I hope that makes sense to you, and we'll give you some more examples in a second and you can try them yourself.